Cashback rates change constantly, but most fintech apps still cluster around the same categories like groceries, gas, online shopping, and rotating partner offers inside the app. By the end of this, you'll know 8 fintech apps people use to earn cash back in 2026 and what each one is actually best for, so you're not just picking randomly. First is Rakuten. Rakuten is built around online shopping cashback, where you activate offers before buying from major retailers. It works best if most of your spending happens on websites like Amazon, Walmart, or clothing stores. Second is Upside. Upside focuses on gas stations, groceries, and restaurants by giving cash back after you upload or link purchases. It's useful if your biggest expenses are driving and daily food spending. Third is Ibotta. Ibotta is heavily focused on grocery receipts and in-store offers. You pick deals before shopping, then scan receipts after you buy to earn cash back. Fourth is Honey. Honey works mainly as a browser tool that automatically finds coupons and sometimes adds rewards when you shop online. It's more passive than other apps, because it runs in the background while you check out. Fifth is Dosh. Dosh links to your card and gives automatic cash back at participating stores without needing receipts or manual steps. It's best for people who want rewards without extra work. Sixth is Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards turns any receipt into points that can be redeemed for gift cards. It's simple because you don't need to select offers before shopping. Seventh is Capital One Shopping. Capital One Shopping compares prices across retailers and applies coupon codes automatically during checkout. It helps you save more on big online purchases rather than everyday spending. Eighth is Top Cashback. Top Cashback focuses on giving a percentage of your online purchases back through partnered retailers. It's similar to Rakuten but often used by people who want to compare payout rates between platforms. To put this together, these apps don't all work the same way. Some are passive like Dosh. Some require planning, like Ibotta. Some are built for online shopping like Rakuten and Top Cashback. The main mistake people make is using just one app and missing better deals on other platforms. The better approach is matching the app to your spending habits instead of chasing the highest cash back everywhere. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of money apps and tools without the confusion.